IW India is very well organized in skill development activities. Best welder competition we have started around 2007, but now with the help of Boston Boiler Welding India, it is now in a great height. This year in 10 places we have organized this one with 211 participants.
मेरा नाम राहुल राठौड़ है और मैं राजकोट से हूँ। इस कंपटीशन में मैंने बड़ौदा ब्रांच से टिक वेल्डिंग 6G पोजीशन कैटेगरी में पार्टिसिपेट किया था। मुझे नेशनल लेवल पे फर्स्ट प्राइज़ का अवार्ड मिला है, जिससे मुझे और भी अच्छा काम करने का मोटिवेशन मिला है।
मेरा नाम राजू शर्मा है और वेल्डरों से कहना चाहूँगा कि आप IIW कंपटीशन में हिस्सा लें, जिससे कि आपका भी स्किल डेवलप हो और कुछ सीखने को मिले।
For us at Bolo Welding, recognizing the best of the best welders is not only to get the best welders but also to improve the image of welding among the aspirant young people who would like to come to welding as a career. Associating with IIW, which is already a more than 50-year-old organization, this collaboration is perfect and it gives both IIW as well as Bolo Welding a chance to really recognize the guys who are actually doing the job. This welding competition is the good platform to reward and recognize their efforts in building the country's infrastructure.